Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced tea for one person, a perfect refreshing drink for any time. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's a classic black tea, a soothing green tea, or a fragrant herbal blend. For a single serving, you will need just 1 tea bag or about 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea. Now, let's get started by steeping your chosen tea in hot water for the appropriate duration to extract its full flavor. To brew your tea perfectly, heat about 6 to 8 ounces of water to the correct temperature for your tea type. For example, black tea typically steeps best in water just off the boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Once steeped, remove the tea bag or strain the loose leaves. It is crucial to let the hot tea cool down to room temperature naturally before moving it to the refrigerator. This prevents cloudiness and ensures a clear, flavorful iced tea. Now for the fun part, customizing your iced tea. While your tea is still warm, stir in your preferred sweetener, such as 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute, until it fully dissolves. This ensures even distribution. For an extra burst of flavor, try adding a few fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint. Feel free to experiment with different additions to create a drink that perfectly matches your taste preferences. Finally, it is time to enjoy your homemade iced tea. Grab your favorite glass and fill it generously with plenty of ice cubes. Next, carefully pour your perfectly cooled and sweetened tea over the ice. The cold ice will instantly chill your tea to a refreshing temperature. For a beautiful presentation and an extra touch of aroma, garnish your glass with a fresh lemon wedge or a vibrant sprig of mint. Enjoy your delicious, single-serving iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.